No, I like cake. It's so nice. I got a fish called Bubbles. Oh my goodness. Shut the fuck up. And then it comes up with the talking Tom. You missed part of you out. Because I've been fishing and haven't. And I got 3 fish called Bubbles the fishing marvel. And they're in my tank in my bedroom and I'm going to fry them and eat them tonight. Because I'm that cool. So I went fishing and you didn't set